Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get bubble resin. To start, you can earn this valuable currency by playing through different game modes like story, challenges, and raids. Focusing on higher difficulties, especially nightmare mode, will significantly increase your bubble earnings per completion. Don't forget to complete your daily quests, as they often provide excellent bonus bubble rewards and helpful multipliers to boost your collection. To maximize your bubble resin collection, target specific game modes. The Bubble Bowl Nightmare Raid is a top choice, rewarding a generous 500 bubbles for each successful completion. For challenges, Hard Mode gives 50 bubbles, and Nightmare Mode offers 75. Even the first map of Story Mode on Nightmare difficulty can quickly yield 20 bubbles per run. Beyond playing modes, you can significantly boost your bubble resin income. Activating 2 times bubble passes or boosters will double your earnings, and these can even stack for up to a 6 times multiplier. For continuous farming, consider using automation tools like Tiny Task. These tools can help you efficiently clear easier maps repeatedly, gathering bubbles even when you are away. To truly maximize your bubble resin collection, focus on a few key strategies. Always prioritize nightmare raids and challenges, as they offer the largest bubble payouts. Make sure to complete your daily quests regularly for consistent bonus rewards. By combining active gameplay with strategic use of boosters, and if possible, automation, you will gather bubbles at the fastest possible rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.